This one's a little more difficult. Let's take a look. Functions f and g are given, and in function f, b is a constant. If f of x times g of x equals this quartic expression, then what is the value of b? Let's just rewrite our expression here. We have f of x times g of x is equal to this quartic expression. Well, if that's the case, then we know we can divide both sides of this equation by g of x. On the left-hand side, g of x will cancel, and we know we will have f of x. And the easiest way to do this is just to engage our skills in long polynomial division. We're going to have 9x to the fourth minus 26x cubed minus 3x squared, and I'm going to put in a placeholder here for the x value and the constant. And we are going to divide that by g of x, which is 9x squared minus 27x. And to start with here, we have to ask ourselves, how many times does 9x squared go into 9x to the fourth? Or what is 9x to the fourth divided by 9x squared? And the answer there is going to be x squared. So we're going to write that solution right here. And then we have to redistribute. We're going to take that x squared, we're going to multiply it by 9x to 9x squared. That's going to give us 9x to the fourth. And then we need to multiply that x squared by negative 27x. And that's going to give us negative 27x cubed. Now we need to subtract this binomial. So we have 9x to the fourth minus 9x to the fourth. That gives us 0. That's what we wanted. We have negative 26x cubed minus 27x cubed, which is the same as negative 27x cubed plus 27x cubed, which just leaves us with x cubed. Now we bring down our negative 3x squared. Now we have to ask ourselves, how many times does 9x squared go into x cubed? Or what is x cubed divided by 9x squared? And the answer there is going to be 1 over 9x. So we add 1 over 9x here, and then we follow the same process. We take that 1 over 9x and we multiply it by 9x squared, and we end up with x cubed. Then we take the 1 over 9x and we multiply it by negative 27x, and we end up with negative 3x squared. Then we have to subtract this binomial. We have x cubed minus x cubed is 0. Negative 3x squared minus negative 3x squared is also 0, and we're left with no remainder. That means that this term equals f of x. So we have f of x is equal to x squared plus 1 over 9x, and that means that our value of b is 1 over 9. That aligns with answer C, and that's it for this one. Please leave me a comment. Let me know if you approach this differently. Keep practicing. I'll see you in the next one.